Okay, it's Adam Schutzfire with Sound Balance Physical Therapy, and I'm doing another typing day here, typing test. Been doing this for 9.5 hours now, and 115 days, 5 minutes a day. And today I'm going to do 1 minute QWERTY test, and hopefully I'm not as bad as I've been the last 4 weeks or 6 weeks or so. And then I'm going to do a 1 minute Dvorak test, and hopefully I'm faster than I've ever been. And then I'm going to do 4 minutes of test practice on lesson 3 here. And as you can see, this week I've gotten more consistency. I've been doing 74 to 80 words in 5 minutes. Actual words, not 5 characters, but that's been more consistent, but haven't beat my previous best, which was last week at the 16.4 right there. But the highest I got was 16, which was yesterday, and that was pretty good. It took a lot of focus. It's not fast, but it's fairly efficient. I'm not making as many mistakes, and I'm shortening the time between words and shortening the time between letters when I don't have like a quick group of letters. Anyway, today it's like 10 o'clock at night. I've been trying to practice in the morning, which has been pretty good, but today was kind of a crazy day. So here we are, 10 o'clock at night. And that's interesting too, because I'm sure time of day matters. It would be nice if I could get the same time every day and the same amount of sleep every day, and that would be a little bit more comparable from one day to the next. But what we have here is life. It's more realistic. Some days are late, some days are early, some days I miss altogether. But all in all, you can see I have some up days and down days, and I'm making some progress. So I'm going to jump in and do those tests, and hopefully we're back above the 20 words per minute of 5 characters per word. And we continue to see growth here. So I'm not as far along as I thought I would be by 9.5 hours, but nonetheless, my progress seems steady. Now, lately, I've been increasing about 1 word per minute per week. You can see a few weeks ago, I was mostly 13, 14. And then here I got into the 14, 15, and it's just been 15, 16, and hopefully next week we're 16s and 17s. So I'm going to pop over, and here we are. This is no punctuation, just words, no capitals. And I'm going to do this on the QWERTY keyboard first. So it's going to start when I start. Oh, it's going to be bad again. Just did a Dvorak U there, and that was Dvorak D. I don't think it's as bad as it was. Yeah, 39. It just feels so bad when I'm copying words down. Again, I still don't feel slower when I'm just going from my head. And that's what I was trying to do just there, was think like this is coming from my head. I'm not copying something. And you can see I was kind of clicking along, and it's mistakes that weren't there before because of the Dvorak training. So we're at 39 words per minute. Here. Dvorak, so that's 39. So it's slightly faster than last week. And that's going to be equals that column divided by 5 so that we can get our Dvorak speed. Let's restart that. And here we go. 1 minute of Dvorak speed testing. Move this. You probably can't see that, but there's a little bar in the way. Okay, here we go. And this is the weirdest thing. It's always hard to make the switch, but oh, hold on. I'm gonna restart. I forgot to switch the keyboard, so that'll cause problems. So I'm gonna hit. I could come down here and click this, but the quicker way, since this is already set up, is just Windows space, and that English switches over to Dvorak. So here we go. Maybe this is an easier one. Maybe it's a harder one. I don't know. So feet. The W is there somewhere. There. Okay, middle finger. Oh, I have to get going faster than this, or it's going to be like the worst one ever. All these W's, seriously. Well, if I can learn where the W is, I'll be okay. 84. That was dismal. I cannot find that W for the life of me. I've got the V and the M down. And V and M, V and M. So the W is the middle finger, and I'm just fishing for it, and I can't find it. That was too many W's. All right, 84. It's life. Okay. 84. Still not bad, and that was ridiculously slow. Okay, it's bad. So let's see how that compares. That's so frustrating. You know, one letter can throw you off that much. You know, that's not bad compared to my previous couple there. So I know I'm getting faster because I was able to pull up that ridiculously slow. I think this low week back here, I had to go back and watch the videos, but every test day I have a video for. I think this low day I had an apostrophe or something, and I was just fishing around for it. I couldn't find it anywhere. But that's a lot of W's. Here we are. So Qwerty's on the rise. Dvorak is flattened out. But I'm still seeing progress here, so I'm not worried. So let's see what that looks like today. We're going to click over here. So there's my 4 minutes, and I'm just going to start that. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Version. mainly been trying to make fewer mistakes. And I've also been trying to look ahead. So I can jump right into that next word. This will be a decent time. Making fewer mistakes on that L, which has been vexing. I finally found the K. I seem to be able to switch faster between Dvorak and Qwerty. But I'm still not fast. There are moments when things just happen. Again, there's moments when I hit a Qwerty P up there. It's still way too many mistakes. I don't do very well when I have to go from the S to the L. Okay, we'll stop that. And that's 59 words in 4 minutes. It's not bad. And again, it's always low on my test days. You can see my last test day was 13.5. So I'm not disappointed in that. Usually because I'm talking, I think that slows me down a bit, and you only have that 4 minutes really, and you do the Qwerty right before, so my brain's in Qwerty, and then I don't get that extra minute where I seem to be faster the longer I go. But nonetheless, I'm pretty okay with that. So that's 59 out of 100 instead of 54, which we had last week, or 47 in 5 minutes on the lesson. Oh, in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And you can see that I type pretty fast with my Qwerty now. 59 out of 100 in 4 minutes. I can't imagine trying to type when I'm not copying something and when I can't see it. I'm going to have to try that at some point, but I'm going to try to get through these lessons first. See if I can type from my head. I don't think I'd be able to do it in Dvorak very fast right now. Only copying only, and Qwerty is everything but copying. Or transcribing. Let's see, lesson 3. Pretty good. Okay, so let's compare those. Yep, kind of flattened off there. I'm waiting for another big jump. I flattened off here and then jumped and then flattened off. And it's coming along pretty steady here. I'm looking forward to big gains next week, even starting tomorrow. So keep working on whatever it is you're working on. Daily practice will get you there. More daily practice with more focused effort will get you there faster. Just keep up the good work and let me know how you're doing with your typing and everything else. Bye-bye.